The first thing you're going to want to do is reset it so that the base is all the way down. To reset the Mamaroo, I'm going to hold down the center button and the left arrow at the same time. As you can see, it'll start to do its little dance. Now that we have reset that base, we can start to take it apart. Unplug everything. You twist the top and pull it out. Now we're going to take the cover off. Lift the base. There's a button. Pop it off. Pop it off up top. You're going to see a zipper. Zipper starts at the bottom. Unzip. Now just take the top off completely, the seat. Pull your buckles through. Done. Now that we've unbuttoned and taken the seat off, we're going to take the sides off. You're going to use the jack or the auxiliary cord that came with your thing, or any button, anything that will push a button to undo the pins. You're going to push them into the little holes that are labeled A, C, B, and D at the bottom. Push it in. Hear it pop. You're going to do that on both sides. Pop them out. And then on the other sides as well. Use the auxiliary cord again to do the same thing here. Reset that pin and remove it. We remove that white piece right here. Now we're gonna spin it around. Use the reclining lever. This is gonna make the arch move in and out and pull it away. All right, now our Mamaroo is in pieces. Let's put it back in the box. All right, let's put this guy back in his box. Match the screen with the piece of styrofoam that also has a screen. And then put the back. Make sure they're placed nice and tight in there. Then you can start to put the parts in. I'm going to clip this guy back in. These pieces should fit in very easily, so if you're starting to force something in, it's probably not in the right place. So I use the part of the arch that is missing goes in towards the top left of the box, so closest to where the instructions are. Again, instructions, missing white part of the arch, that's where that goes. All right, put these guys together. 1 and 2. Again, if it feels like you're forcing it, it's probably not where it's supposed to be. There we go. Arm in first. Lie those flat. Balls can go in there as well. 2, 3. The white part that you had taken off goes here. The chargers can go in here. And I'm just going to fold this guy up. And put them under the arms. Done. And ready to be stored.